So this is the electric bike. It is being developed at the Bangalore. It is expected to be come in India on running or sale maybe next year. अगले साल तक ये बाइक इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक है जो वापस बाजार में आ सकती है. अभी ये बेंगलोर में डेवलप हो रही है. इसके बारे में अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो ये देखिए बाइक के फीचर्स. तो आपको अगर मैं बताऊं तो ये इसमें हेडलाइट ट्विंस हैं. ये टू लाइट्स.
It is in video, it will come closer.
So how this basically chain work and what is the battery size, what is the electric charging current size, and how much in one charging this bike will go?
This bike name is called Boulder.
Boulder.
Basically, yeah, Boulder.
This is Bold.
Yeah.
This is the bike name.
Yes, yes.
Bolder. Boulder.
Yes.
Okay.
So mainly this bike is designed for passionate bike riders,
Okay.
for bike enthusiasts.
Okay.
And the drivetrain of this bike is totally different. If you see this drivetrain of this bike, the motor and the battery is separated to each other because to make sure the motor heat will not be passed to the battery.
Okay. This is the motor.
Yeah,
This is the motor. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
And we have 3-layer protection for the battery pack.
Achha, where is the protection?
Inside we have
Inside.
a 3-layer.
Okay. Now, what is this basically? This is metallic.
Yeah, it's completely made of metal.
Metallic. Okay.
Yeah.
And how much in one charge this will run?
The bike
How many
will
kilometer?
It will give you a range of 150 kilometer plus. It's still in a development stage, and the spec is approximately.
This is the shocker.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the tire? Is this a special tire?
This tire is mainly used for a performance bike.
Okay.
And this bike is designed for on-road, and it's basically a performance-oriented bike for passion bike riders.
And this is disc brake?
Yes, it's
I think this is disc brake. This is disc brake.
front and back disc brake for this bike.
Front and back disc brake. Okay. And this is electric.
And
This is disc brake. This is disc brake also. Huh? This is also disc brake.
yes, that is it.
And which shocker is this?
This is a reverse suspension.
And front wheel size is? What is the front wheel size? This is
You're going to get a 17-inch wheel, both the sides, front and back.
17 inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you see the headlight, this is also made of metal. So
Metal.
basically, the entire bike is made of metal.
The
Yes.
complete is the metal. But is this a special light, LED sort of thing, or what is this?
This is a kind of angel light, they will say.
Angel light.
Yeah, angel projected
So
light.
this is a very compact bike.
Yeah.
So it is only basically brake, tire, suspension, lights, and handle, and basically this motor. This is electrical motor,
Yeah, that's right.
and this is chain, and this is drive to the rear wheel.
Yeah. So basically, we may get a belt drive system when the bike launches, and this is a demo model.
Okay.
It is still in a development stage right now,
Okay.
and there will be some minor changes in the original design of this bike.
So this is for two person. This is for 2 person.
Yes, it's made for two people.
So this is the rear seat. This is the front seat.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is in the handle basically? Some speedometer will come after development here.
Yeah. Speedometer. We are expecting 17-inch speedometer.
17 inch.
A lot of additional features.
Okay. And here this side horn, starting, LEDs are there. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And some more feature will come, and some more equipment will come that will be fixed on this.
Yes.
Okay. So this is electric bike and expected to be reached in market by 23rd,
Next year.
23
Yes.
or 24.
23.
23, end of 23.
Somewhere in the mid or end.
Some of the middle. So this is being developed by a Bangalore company. It is called Boulder.
Yeah. B-Wings is the company name, and Boulder is the model name.
Company name is Reinvented. So this is a new startup of India, or it is some collaboration with some foreign company.
It is still in the startup stage right now.
Okay. So we are expecting this very beautiful, good bike maybe next year, and within the range of 150 kilometers. This will run in one charge. How much is the cost? That will is still not known. cost is still not known.
Yeah, the price on the complete spec is not finalized.
So this will be finalized later, and then hopefully this will strike the road, and this will be very good for the basically enthusiast bike.
Bike enthusiasts.
Thank you very much.
और नंबर 2 3 4 5 के सामने की गई है